Alright guys, so we are in front of my grandma's house, and this is one of the areas that wild strawberry grow. I got my old container of yogurt. These work out perfectly to store berries. Anyway, there's not many here that are ready to eat. It just rained, so I was hoping some are ready to eat. This is probably the closest one. You can see it's still pretty green. If I pick that now, it just won't even really be too good. So I'm gonna let those be and let the deer eat them. But there are plenty. They just don't seem to grow very good right here. I did look at my yard, the side of the road. I'm gonna go over there in a second. There's some better ones over there. But none of these look like they developed into be able to eat. Here is actually one. That's right on the border. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this one. It looks a lot bigger when it's close up. But I'm gonna try my best to get, you need like 10 of those to equal one. Look how lonely and sad that little strawberry is. You need about 10 of those just to equal one normal size strawberry, or the ones at least you see at stores or markets. But I'm gonna try my best to at least fill the bottom of this with some strawberries. I already did kind of look through here. You can see all these are strawberries. If you guys don't know what a strawberry plant looks like, if you have these in the wild, it looks like this. Sometimes the saying, if it's 3 leaves, let it be, because it might be poison ivy, but this one is actually strawberry, the 3 leaves. So there's a little one there, not growing so well. There's a lot here, but look at that, they're just not growing so good here. Strawberry, 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 all through here. But I already took a little walk in my side yard. I'm gonna go over there now. All right, so we did find one so far. It would be nice if we can fill this whole bottom up with strawberries. I already looked over there. There's not really anything over there. So I know 1, 2, 3 spots. There's probably more spots if you look, but I haven't really seen anything besides those 3. There's a few areas in the back just randomly, but I walked through here already. You do have to be careful because they are a little hard to see even though they're red. They're very easy to step on. So I went through here and tried to mark them with some sticks. So I just need to find where I put those sticks. And I may have missed some, so I don't want to just walk anywhere. So they're very hidden here. You can see these aren't quite ready yet, but those are strawberries. But here's a few sticks here. All right. Let's see if you guys can see those a little better. So these, I might just take this one, let those other 2 grow. That one's pretty good. So there's 2. I'll let some deer eat those if they get lucky. That one's pretty good. All right, 3. So we're looking for the sticks I put down. There's one. And I probably missed a few spots, so I'm just trying not to step on anything. This one's pretty tiny. So I'm gonna keep those sticks up. Maybe those will grow some more later. So these, look, I stepped on these earlier. That was a good one too. I'll just eat this smashed one. So here's a smashed strawberry. That's pretty sweet. All right. There's one little guy. There's another one. There's a few more I'm gonna leave there for next time. All right, oh, there's one hidden. See, I just put some sticks on the one that I see from above. That's a real tiny one, but I'm gonna take it. When you're low like this to the ground, you can see them better. Up above, they're pretty well hidden. But here's another stick and another stick. So they're all over the place out here. So this one has 3 good ones. Look at that one. They may be small, but man, are they tasty. All right, we're getting there. So there's a few more right here. That's a pretty good plant right there. 3 pretty decent ones. I'm trying not to pull them too hard. Get that leaf off. And one more. All right, another good one. This one, look at that. That one's not quite ready yet. So there's a lot in here. There's one there. They're really all over the place. All right, so here's another stick. Those really, I'm gonna let those be. You can see, I'll let deer get those. But there is, look at this. You'll never be able to see that one above. Just blends right in. But if you look down, you move this. And there's some here. These are really tiny. I might just take this one. And then look, there's actually some right in there too. Wow. Oh man, look, I think something must have got to that. That one's pretty good though. Not quite as red as I like, but it's all right. All right, I'd be happy with the whole thing being full, but we'll see. Well, here's another stick. I'm gonna move around. So you do gotta watch your step. I mean, every step you take, you could be stepping on some strawberries. So here's a lot of sticks. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I tried to mark the ones that the blueberry or the strawberries were ready to eat. So let's see. Look at that one. That's a pretty good one. I think that's it for there. There's a few more here. Those are good looking strawberries. Oh, these aren't bad. Take that one at least. Alright, I think that's it for this area. Here's a stick. Very hard to see, but that's a pretty good one right there. I'll try to let those other ones stay. Just pick this one. All right, they are so tiny, but man, they are so good. If you guys have never had a freshly picked wild strawberry, like small, I think sometimes the smaller they are, the better they taste. All right, let's see if we can walk through here. I think there's a few more sticks I put up. I saw some here. I don't know if these are ready to eat. That one's not bad. I'll take that one. So these I didn't mark. So these I didn't see before. There's probably so many I didn't see that could be behind the leaves. Look, there's more in there. Not quite ready. I'll let those be. Here's some, but they're not quite ready. So here's a stick. Look at that one. That's a good red color. Yeah, this one's gonna be tasty. This is perfect for like on oatmeal or strawberry or some pancakes or something, waffles. Here's some, but not quite ready, almost. Let's see, there's a stick. Look, this one's pretty well hidden. From up top, it's really hard to see. I think this one has, those are both pretty good, I think. 1, 2, this one's a little iffy. I think I'll just eat this one now. Those I want to eat all at once. This one though, we'll see how sweet it is. It's not quite ready. Still a little sweet, but feels a little bit more red. It would have been a little bit better. So that's all I found, but there probably are more. So do you guys have wild strawberries where you live? Let me know. I'm gonna go sit over there and eat these all at once. All right, guys, so here's the strawberries. So we got about a handful. Look at that. They smell so good. All right, so I'm just gonna eat them all at once. This is actually the most I found. Usually I just pick them as I go and just eat them right away. So I want to make this moment last a little bit. Oh my gosh. There should be a cologne that smells just like that. All right. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Thumbs up. That's so good. I might go back later and put some inside. All right, guys. That's it for today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a good evening, good night, good morning, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.